So today we're gonna make chicken do pyaza. So let's see how to make that chicken do pyaza. Here I have taken 1.25 kgs of chicken, nicely washed, and I've kept the pieces a little bit bigger. So this is 3 onions which I have cut it into 2. That means it is half. 3 onions which is just cut into 2 pieces. The next 2 I have chopped it coarse. The next 3 onion, as you can see in your screen now, are the complete onions, isn't it? But we're gonna make a nice kaddukas of it. You know what is kaddukas? We're gonna grate it and extract the juice of these 3 onions. It's gonna be exciting. Don't go away and continue to watch the entire recipe. Coming to the masalas, we first start with the sizzling red Kashmiri chili powder, and this is 2 teaspoons of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala. Let's add something sweet, 1 teaspoon of sugar, salt as per your requirement, 1.5 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 2 cinnamon leaves. Cinnamon leaves in Hindi is tej patta. Few cinnamon sticks. 6 cute little green cardamoms. And we will not leave the cardamoms alone. We're going to have the perfect match of clove too. And here we have taken 10 cloves, half a cup of whole milk yogurt, 12 to 14 garlic cloves which are finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of ginger puree. Let's talk about the tangy tomatoes. Here I have taken 3 small red ripe tomatoes which is finely chopped. We're gonna use half a cup of oil. So 3 onions, I have cut it into 2. Like from the center I have made a cut and made it into 2. The other 2 I have done it in a coarse way, as you can see. The remaining 3 onions, I'm going to use this to grate it, and we're going to make a fine grate of these 3 onions, put it all in a nice thin cloth and extract the juice. See? Certain recipes, you need to have a different way. That's what gives a unique taste to the curry, isn't it? So I've taken a big karai, a big wok, and I'm going to add the oil first of all. This is half a cup of oil. And first and foremost, take the red chili powder. I'm going to add a little bit of water to make a paste of it. Okay, this is the red chili powder. We're gonna add a little bit of water. So while the oil is getting heated up, I'm gonna make a little paste of this red chili powder. Looks awesome, right? Shouldn't be that watery, so just add little by little. We need to make a paste. And we're done. Let's test whether our oil is heated up. Oh yeah. So there goes, first and foremost in the oil, the coarse onion. And we're gonna fry this till it is light brown in color, and then we're gonna take this out. I know the oil is too much, but don't worry, we're gonna use the same oil. We're gonna fry these onions till it is light brown in color. Meanwhile, please take a steel plate and place a tissue paper on that, because we're gonna fry these onions and then take it out so it will absorb the excess oil, and then we're gonna use the same oil, don't worry. So come, our onions have turned light brown in color, as you can see it, and I have taken a steel plate, placed a paper napkin on that, and we're gonna put this into this. So all the excess oil will be absorbed by the tissue paper. Fry the garlic for a couple of minutes. In this goes the 2 bay leaves, cinnamon leaves, or Hindi we call it as tej patta. And next I'm adding the cinnamon sticks and the green cardamom. Then I'm adding the peppercorns. Fry for a few minutes, and then goes the cloves. These peppercorns will splish and splash. Gotta be careful. If you want, you can also add 2 red chilies, whole dried red chilies into that. I was running short of it, so I'm omitting that. If you like to add, you can add 2 dry red chili now at this stage. Then the best companion of garlic, we start with adding ginger puree. This will again splash. You need to be careful, dear friends. Let's not leave our Mr. Chili, red chili alone, and let's add our turmeric powder. We again mix. Our masala is nicely roasted, and I'm adding the chicken. And also the tomatoes. Let's mix. Looks great, right? Let's mix it well. Good job. Then goes 1 tablespoon of butter. Come on, butter. And the yogurt. And the sugar. Let's mix it, dear friends. Oh la la, see the color. Amazing. I'm gonna place a lid on my wok and let it get cooked on a sim flame for next 10 to 12 minutes. You toss it well. Make sure that the masala and the chicken is not getting stick to the bottom of the base. If at all it is dry and it is sticking, you may sprinkle a little bit of water or add a very little bit of hot water into your curry so that it doesn't get stick. Friends, it's been 10 minutes, so let's open our wok and check it. There was absolutely no need for me to add the water. Chicken itself will leave the water. Now in this goes the half onions. Now you might be thinking how it will get cooked, right? Don't worry. Anyway, our chicken is not fully cooked, see? It still needs to become tender. So we're gonna put this inside. And next we are adding the onion juice. Now it's the time to add the salt. Wonderful. See the color? Amazing. Right? And we're gonna mix this. There is two ways, my dear friends. Either we can continue to cook this chicken in the same way on the gas till our chicken becomes tender, or at this moment you can take this and put it in your baking tray, okay, in the baking dish. You can preheat your oven to 150 degrees Celsius or 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Preheat it and then you can transfer this into your baking dish and cook it for 10 minutes. Remember, we fried these onions at the beginning? Yes, we're gonna add this now. We're gonna add these onions. We're gonna mix this. And in this goes the garam masala. You might have noticed I did not add any chicken masala into this, and not even the coriander powder we have added. So how's my chicken do pyaza looking, dear friends? So do try it out. It's awesome, it's unique, and it's a wonderful dish to be tried and enjoyed. You can enjoy with chapatis or with flattened bread or even steamed rice. Everything will go perfect well with this chicken do pyaza. And before I sign out, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel. Hit on the like button. Okay, so take care of yourself. God bless. Stay at home, stay safe, be healthy. Sayonara.